Hello and welcome to Steady Bro. My name is LT and I'm your bro for life. So today we'll be looking at glycolysis in a bit more detail. We can divide glycolysis into two stages. The first being glucose to GAP and the second GAP to pyruvate to produce two molecules of ATP. The process of glycolysis begins when glucose first enters into the cell. On entry, it is imprisoned by hexokinase. It adds a phosphoryl group from ATP to glucose. It becomes glucose 6-phosphate. It prevents glucose from leaving the cell. The next step of glycolysis is the conversion of glucose 6-phosphate into fructose 6-phosphate. Now, this is done by phosphoglucose isomerase. The enzyme achieves this by opening up the cyclic form of glucose into an open chain. From the open chain, it cleaves off the aldehyde group on the first carbon, adds the ketone group. It promotes a cyclic formation again. Fructose 6-phosphate is then converted to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. This conversion is carried out by phosphofructokinase and is a very important enzyme in the regulation of glycolysis. The enzyme does this by adding a phosphoryl group to the fructose 6-phosphate. It becomes a bisphosphate. From the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, the enzyme aldolase cleaves it into GAP and DHAP. GAP can be directly utilized to produce pyruvate. DHAP is not an isomerization is required. This isomerization is carried out by triose phosphate isomerase. This concludes the first stage of glycolysis.